My brother once tried to convince me I was adopted. Hi, I'm attorney Jill Ruane, and in today's class in 2-Minute Law School, we are talking about adoption. There are different types of adoption, and the process can vary depending on which one you choose. Private adoption. This happens when you adopt directly through a birth parent or a private agency. It's typically used for infant adoptions and often involves an adoption agency or lawyer to handle the process. Public or foster care adoption. This involves adopting through the government or a state agency. It's often used for children who are already in the foster care system. International adoption. This is adopting a child from another country, which adds more steps like meeting immigration laws. Next, let's compare private adoption and foster care adoption to help you understand the differences. In private adoption, you usually work with an agency or an adoption lawyer. The birth parents voluntarily place the child for adoption, often before the child is even born. It can be expensive with fees for legal paperwork, home studies, and agency services. You typically have more control over selecting the child you want to adopt, like choosing an infant or a specific situation. As for foster care adoption, the child is placed in your home through a state-run system. These children often come from challenging backgrounds or have been removed from unsafe environments. It's generally less expensive than private adoption, and in many cases, the state covers the costs. You may need to foster the child before the adoption is finalized, and the process can take some time. We'll dive deeper into laws and regulations surrounding adoption and family law in future videos. Class dismissed. But first, if you wish you went to law school or just want to be smarter and win that next argument with your friends, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can get new classes when they drop.